Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In this lecture on number theory, I take up an excellent example to find n involving multiple concepts of the number theory, congruence, last two digits, modulus 100 and also logarithms to the base 10 and converting them to natural logarithm and without using the calculator. No calculator. Without using the calculator. How to find out the value of n? It looks very complicated equation, but still we can solve it out without using the calculator by using the number theory principles and also basic logarithmic concepts useful for both JEE mathematics and also Maths Olympiad examination aspirants and mathematics enthusiasts. Now, I will be solving the mathematical part of this problem and the literal meaning of it that can be deduced from this mathematical representation should be understood by you. Please refer to my previous lectures and try to make out what this particular question refers to. Does it refer to last two digits of the large exponential number or the first two digits of a large exponential number? What we are finding out here? You please try to understand, see my previous lectures on number theory and try to recollect from there. That I treat it as a homework. I will mathematically solve for the number n when n is equivalent to 7 to the power of 777 whole divided by 10 to the power of log 7 to the power of 777 to the base 10 minus 1 mod 100. Here whole equation before the mod 100 is a floor equation. It's a floor equation and 10 to the power of log 7 to the power of 777 to the base 10. It's also a floor equation. It has some, both the floor equations are floor functions. Rather we can say they have different meaning here. With mod 100 last two digits. Try to understand what this floor function denotes. Put it in the comments column. Here I will be going with the mathematical notation and solving the mathematical problem for finding the value of n, so that n is equivalent to 7 to the power of 777 divided by 10 to the power of 7 to the power of 777 to the base 10 minus 1, where the floor equations are given clearly. Now, let us try to solve step by step and understand the concepts, understand the floor equation and also understand what is mod 100 and what are the last two digits and try to solve the number n. And let us try to develop the relation between natural logarithm and logarithm to the base 10. Let us try to solve this equation, this problem carefully. Find n, the question is if n equivalent floor function 7 to the power of 777 whole divided by 10 to the power of floor function logarithm to the base 10 7 to the power of 777 floor function closed minus 1 and whole floor function closed mod 10. Please understand where the floor function is written and what is its hidden meaning. Please try to explore from my previous videos. Solution. Here, let us take denominator first. Denominator. In the denominator, what it is written? 10 to the power of floor function log to the base 10, 7 to the power of 777, floor function closed, minus 1. Now, in this, let us try to say this particular part log 7 to the power of 777 to the base 10 is equal to x. Then this will become 10 to the power of floor function x minus 1. Then let us try to find out what is x. We are only talking about the denominator now. X is equal to logarithm to the base 10, 7 to the power of 777. This is x. This will be, this implies 7 to the power of 777 is equal to 10 to the power of x. Do you agree? Since log a to the base b is equal to c implies a is equal to b to the power of c. This rule we have applied here. Now again taking logarithm on both sides, it implies x into log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 777 into log 7 to the base 10. Since this we have got from this. Since log a to the power of m is equal to m into log a to the base b when you take the base b. Now, from this what we get? 777 into log 7 to the base 10 is equal to x into 1. Since log a to the base a is equal to 1, hence log 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. That implies 777 log 7 to the base 10 is equal to x. Now we have got the value of x. Let us try to find the value of x now. X is equal to 777 log 7 to the base 10. I have already told you in my previous classes that it is better to know the value of log to the base 10 from 1 to 10 and ln natural logarithm 1 to 10. It will be always useful to you. Please. I have already explained in the previous lecture. Please see the previous lecture. What is the value of log 7 to the base 10? The value of log 7 to the base 10 is 0.84509. Please remember this value. Since log 7 to the base 10 is equal to 0.84509. Please remember this value. The same value I have used in the previous class also, previous lecture. Now, what will be the value of x? Value of x is coming as, multiply these two, 777 into 0.84509, that will be 656.6411. That implies floor function x is equal to 656. This is what we are interested in. Here the problem involves the floor function. What is the denominator? Hence, denominator is equal to 10 to the power of floor function x minus 1. That is 10 to the power of, what is the floor function? 656 minus 1. That is equal to 655. From the given value, how to find out the floor function? It is a largest integer. What is the largest integer less than x? Is 656. If it goes to 657, that will be greater than x. It should be less than x. Largest integer less than x is 656. This is largest integer less than x. This is the floor function x meaning. Now we got the denominator. What is the numerator? Numerator is equal to 7 to the power of 777. Now we have to find out what is the value of 7 to the power of 777. We already know from our previous calculations, x is equal to 656.6411 777 log base 10 log 7. Which implies, from the basics of the logarithms, 10 to the power of 656.6411 is equal to 7 to the power of 777. Because this is nothing but log base 10 7 to the power of 777. Now, we know the value of numerator. What is numerator value? Numerator is equal to 10 to the power of 656.6411 and denominator is equal to 655. Now, n is equivalent to floor function of numerator by denominator floor function mod 10 mod 100 sorry. What is the numerator value we have got? 10 to the power of 656.6411 divided by denominator is 10 to the power of denominator is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of denominator is 10 to the power of 655 10 to the power of 655. This is mod 100. This implies n equivalent is equal to 10 to the power of 1.6411 floor function mod 100. What is the value of 10 to the power of 1.6411? That comes. We don't have the calculator to calculate. Here, this is the crucial value which we have to find out, which is going to decide our answer. Ten to the power of 1.6411 to be found out. Now you know. I have told you. Logarithm to the base 10 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. Please know the values. Similarly, logarithm, natural logarithm of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. Please try to remember them. Or at least you know them. Or at least you find out some shortcuts to understand them. I have given in my earlier lectures. One value is known means how to find out the two values. Like log 2 is known, log 3 is known to you. How to find out log 6? If log 2 is known, how to find out log 4? You need not remember all 10 values. From the basic principles of logarithm, we can find out. Please try to do that exercise as a homework and please try to remember them or you try to get them in the examination. That will be very useful to you in long run. Without when your examination is without calculator. 1.6411 we have to find out what is its value. We know one principle that a to the power of x is equal to e to the power of x ln a. Please remember this. Very, very important relation between exponential numbers and natural logarithm. Now, here what I am supposed to find out, 10 to the power of 1.6411 will be equal to e to the power of x into ln. Ln is natural logarithm, ln 10. That implies 10 to the power of 1.6411 is equal to e to the power of 1.6411 into ln 10. What is the value of ln 10? That implies we have to find out the value of e to the power of 1.6411 ln 10. Now, ln 10 is equal to approximately, we can write it as 2.302. Please remember, it is going to be very useful to you. This value is very important, especially in your physics and chemistry classes also. ln 10 is equal to 2.302. Then this will be equal to e to the power of 1.6411 into 2.302. That will be equal to e to the power of, you multiplying them, you don't require any calculator, multiply 3.778. This is equal to e cube into e to the power of 0.778. Therefore, 10 to the power of 1.6411 will be equal to e cube, you know, 2.718 whole cube. Please try to find out this. And e to the power of 0.778. And the question is, how to find out this value? There is one series, Maclaurin series. Maclaurin series, from which we can write e to the power of x is equal to 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus so and so. This is a very important series for calculating the fractional e to the powers. If x is a fraction, we can use that when x is less than 1 very easily. Here x is equal to 0.778 and let us take only up to the 2 digit square. Let's not go into the cube and 2 to the power of 4 because that will be very less when compared with x square. Then e to the power of 0.778 will be approximated to 1 plus 0.778 plus 0.778 whole square by 2. That will be equal to 2.1790. Let us say. Now, what will be the value of 10 to the power of 1.6411? That will be equal to 2.718 whole cube into 2.179. That means approximately 2.178 to the power of 4. Let us say. Two 2.718, it is 179. Okay. These simple calculations you can very easily do it. 43.752. This value. We have to find out only the largest integer. Largest integer of this value. Then floor function rather. 43.752 floor function will be 43. Now, what is the answer ultimately? The ultimate answer is, the final answer, n equivalent, no, in place of n is equal to this much. In place of n equivalent floor function 7 to the power of 777 whole divided by 10 to the power of log to the base 10 7 to the power of 777 floor function minus 1 floor function mod 100 can be written as n equivalent 43 mod 100. That implies n is equal to 43. Here it is not n, rather this value of this is 43. That means in overall what we have got the answer, n is equal to 43. It involves the concepts of the Maclaurin series, e to the power of x expansion, logarithmic to the base 10, natural logarithm concepts, and also application of your congruence modulo and modular arithmetic. The answer is n is equal to 43. And the question need not be given in the mathematical notation. It can be asked in natural English language. How to convert this mathematical notation to natural language, English natural language? That you please try to do it as a homework. Write the given question in natural English language. By converting it from mathematical notations. It involves the last two digits, the definition of the first two digits also. Please try to brainstorm yourself, try to think over and try to frame your own question, and the problem is solved, answer is 43. Try to frame your own question and treat it as a homework for you, and if you have any questions on this, if you are unable to frame the real question, what it means in natural language, please put it in the comment column. I'll answer. With this, I wanted to conclude this lecture. Best of luck to everybody. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for viewing my lecture. And if these concepts and this problem has given you any value addition to your knowledge, please hype this lecture. Please share this lecture. Please share my channel name to the known people, and also please subscribe to my channel as a token of encouragement to me to bring this type of problems to you where concepts are involved, numerous concepts in a single problem. More than 350 questions or problems released till now. Please see all of them. You will gain lot of knowledge from them and a working practice also. And please subscribe as a token of encouragement to me. Subscribe to my channel Maths and Science by IITian. Thank you. Best of luck to everybody.